Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today's question is boats to save people. Now this question states that we have to return minimum number of boats to carry every given person. For the example, we can see there is given peoples and the limit that boat can have. So in this example, the limit is 3 and the people are 1 and 2. So we can carry both 1 and 2, make the sum of 3. So we can carry in one boat 3 people. So there is no problem, we use one boat in this. And we can see in this example there is 3, 2, 2, 1. The limit is again 3. So we are going to one boat for 3 and one board for 2 and 1 and one board for 2. So we use 3 boards. So the minimum boards are 3. For the example, you can see this also. Now what we do, what we are going with two approaches here. Kind of brute force is most likely the better approach in this. So we are not going with brute force. There is two approach I am going to show you here. So the better approach is we are going to use sorting, and with sorting we are going to do the manual pair search. This is kind of greedy, and this going to cost us the complexity of big O of n square, and for the space the complexity is going to be big O of n. For the most optimal approach, we are going to use two pointer, and the time complexity is going to be big O of n, and we are using two pointers. So, sorry, big O of not n, big O of n log n, and the complexity for this is going to be big O of n log n plus n square. So n log n, and the space complexity for the two pointer is going to be big O of 1. Now what we going to do, we are going to, in this better approach, we're going to sort the people array, people dot sort. Now we make visit and declare every people false in this. Yes, every length of people is false in this. And now we are going to make variable name boats is going to be 0 at initial for I in range. We're going to iterate reversely, so people minus 1. Why there is two brackets? Now it is good. Length minus 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1. Too many, yes, minus 1. Okay, now what we do, we check if our visit of I, if there is our visit of I, then it is going to be, if our visit of I exists, then we continue, and after that we declare our visit. Sorry, it is vist, not visit. Let's make it visit, and for that also visit. So visit is going, visit of I we declare as true. Now for j in range, so guys, there is two loops that making its complexity n square, that we are adding in the previous PowerPoint slide. So now we check if not visit, if there is no visit, means visit is empty for the j, and people of people I plus people j is less than equal to our limit. We check that. Then we going to make our visit of j is equal to true, and we increment our boat outside the for loop of j boats, and we return our boat. Let's run the code, and I hope this works. Yes, every case is accepted here. Now let's submit that. The time complexity is high. Maybe we get time limit exceed in this. We are getting wrong answer. Sorry guys, we forget to add break statement here. If we don't add break statement, then the loop is going to continue and we'll get our wrong answer. So let's run the code, and every case will get accepted. Let's submit the code. So the complexity, the time complexity is going to be not good, because we can do better than that, and I guess we will get time limit exceed here. You can see the time limit, the time limit is exceeded. So we are going with the most optimal solution for this, the two pointer approach. So in two pointer approach, the people will short. Now what we do, we are going to make our left pointer as 0, right pointer as length of people minus 1. Now we go with while loop. We check while left is not greater than our right pointer, and we make a variable name remain. Let's make another variable name result as 0. Yes, remain will be equal to limit minus people of r, and then we decrement our r and increment our result by 1. Now we check if our left pointer is still inbound and our remain is greater than equal to people of left. Then we increment our left pointer and return our result. Let's hope this work. Yes, every case is accepted here. Now let's submit that, and this is very efficient and good approach. So yes, we are getting good complexity because the complexity is big O of n log n, and the space complexity is big O of 1. So if you like the video, then subscribe my channel, and also like and comment. And this question guys come in Goldman Sachs company, so I am adding to the my Goldman Sachs playlist. You can access every video from the description, or you can access from the my channel page. There is also Amazon's question, and the most question asked in like companies like Cognizant, SCL and all. So you can also search by the search from the playlist. And that's it for today. Thank you.